Okay, this is Python homework chapter 10. I'm asked to create a grade histogram out of data that's generated from the Gauss function from the random module. U is the average, and sigma is the standard deviation of the scores. And once I generate that, I make sure that it's between 0 and 100. That's the while statement and the if statement. And if they are, they're put into a list called scores. Then in the next function down here, we're going to go through those scores and assign them a letter grade based on whether or not they fall between two separate numbers, 95 and 100, 85 and 95, 75, 85, and so on. And then we're going to take that information and use it to draw a histogram using the turtle module. And this is the actual turtle module that draws the bar graph. And then down here is where we're going to take the information and put into the draw bar and actually draw the bar graphs. So I will run this function now, and here we go. And that is the homework for chapter 10.